Okay, boys and girls, here is your PPS homework 311 and 312. Okay, so if we remember, we were talking about area problems today. Area equals length times width. Okay, area equals length times width. I'm even going to write that. A equals L times W. Area equals length times width. Okay, so let's look at this one. Juan is installing new flooring in a large entryway. The picture at the right shows the length and width of the entryway. How many square feet of flooring does Juan need? So we're finding the area here. Area equals length times width. Okay, same thing. Area equals length times width. But instead of putting L and W, you're going to put in your sides. Then tell me what it equals, and that answer goes here. Look at the picture at the right. Alyssa wants to tile a room with an area of 480 square feet. The width of the room is 12 feet. What is the length? So we're finding that missing side again. So don't let this confuse you. That little line is representing an L. It's representing length. So I'm going to do the first one for you. 480 square feet equals length times width, right? And they tell us our width. We can go ahead and put that in there as 12 feet. So remember we said we can do this another way. 480 divided by 12 will tell you your missing length. So then you're going to have to solve. Go ahead and do that, solve. I know you don't really know so much of how to divide with two numbers. I want you to multiply. So take 12, multiply it by maybe 2, multiply it by 4 or 5, whatever you think. Multiply it here and see how close you can get to 480. And that's how many feet you will have. Okay. Jim is painting the surface of a picnic table. The surface has an area of 2,160 square inches. The width of the table is 30 inches. What is the length? Okay, so first off, I want you to draw a picture. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine is clearly not perfect. It's okay. So the area always goes on the inside. 2,160. The width is 30. You can pick a side. So I'm going to pick this side. We need to find out the length. So if you need to, look back, see what steps we did. Remember, the area divided by the side you know will tell you the other length. The area divided by the side you know will tell you your missing length. An Olympic floor exercise mat has an area of 144 square meters. The length is 12 meters. What is the width? Again, go ahead and draw a picture. Square meters, that means the area. The area goes on the inside. 144. The length is 12. So I'm going to put 12 on the top. And we are looking for our width. So the area divided by the side you know will tell you your missing side. Look at problem 4. What is the shape of the floor? What is the shape? What do you know about squares and rectangles? It has to be a square or a rectangle. Melissa has enough paint to cover an area of 250 square feet. She wants to paint 2 walls. The rectangular wall is 9 feet high and 20 feet wide. The square wall has a height of 9 feet. Does Melissa have enough paint to cover the area of both walls? So we need to find the 2 walls that she wants. So wall 1, right? Let's look what she says. The rectangular wall is 9 feet by 20 feet. Find the area, okay? Wall 2, it just says has a square wall. Well, if we think about squares, squares have all sides the same. So it's really 9 times 9 because all sides would equal the same thing. find the area. When you find the two areas, you need to add them together, okay? So for purposes, I'm going to put area number 1 and area number 2, but you will actually find what's 9 times 9 and put it there. When you get the two answers, you'll have the answer from number 1 and the answer from number 2, which is here. Find out what that is and tell me, is it bigger or less than 250? If it's less than 250, she will have enough to paint. If it's more than 250, she will not have enough to paint. Okay, remember, when you turn this in, if you take pictures, you need to take pictures of both this page and this page to turn in. I will not take it if you just turn in one page. You have to have both. If you do it on the Excel document, you make sure that you answer all parts of the questions and share it with me. If you are still stuck and you need help, reach out to me and email me so we can set up a Zoom and get your problems answered, okay?